Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Aisha Rehana with metric number 1171316, a student of SKJ 4183, which is Information System Assurance. Today I'll be sharing with you guys one of the security technology tool exists in this technological era, which is endpoint detection and response, which is known as EDR. So what is EDR? EDR is basically a tool that primarily focused on detecting and investigating suspicious activities and traces of such other problems on host or endpoints. So and it addresses the need for continuous monitoring and response to advanced threat. It also is a form of advanced protection, and EDR protects endpoint devices, which are any outwardly facing devices in your network. So endpoint can be workstations, smart devices, router, open ports, and open ports. So why EDR is a security software? So because EDR is a security software because EDR solutions provide the following main capabilities, which are three of it. I will explain to you. First is continuous endpoint monitoring. So EDR solutions aggregate and log endpoints event data for centralized monitoring and event analysis. Second is detection engine. EDR security software collected data to uncover the anomalies and detect potentially malicious behavior or events. And thirdly is response capabilities. So response capabilities means that EDR security solution provide alerts to detect events and can often initiate automated responses such as sandboxing or blacklisting. So according to CIS Control V7, this security technology is under foundational category of number 13, which is data protection. Foundation category is the technical best practices, provide clear security benefits and the smart move for any organization for implementation. So that's it. Now I pass to Hanis Shafika to explain about how EDR works.
My name is Nur Hani Shafika binti Ridwan and my metric number 1172418. How EDR works? EDR technology is using an advanced algorithm for two main activities. First is analyzing the behavioral of individual user in the system, and next one is it remember those behavioral when connecting to the system. This diagram shows how EDR works in real situation. As EDR technology is installed into a system, it begins to monitor the threat. Then it uses behavioral analysis to remember and connecting the activities. It detects and reports any potential malicious activities. The advanced algo then compile a path backwards toward the most probable breach point. Later, the technology processes all data points into narrow categories for easier review. After that, the analysts and engineers review the alerts and pass the information to the client. Next, Hafiza will state a few examples of EDR.
My name is Siti Nur Hafiza binti Naharuddin Akmal, 1171326. I would like to share the example of EDR. The example pick is a user never installed .exe file on a company file. The EDR assumes malware has been added by an outside threat. As EDR is able to scan email at attachment level, it can see an email from legitimate user with a normal .xls attachment. From the past inspection, EDR is programmed to learn normal aspect of the end user's content. Number 2, when the example happen in real life situation, EDR will quarantine the email and alert the system administrator so that the further investigation can be performed. Once the file safely and truly inspected, the administrator can release or shut down the email accordingly. EDR has ability to review file at this granular level, means that potential threat can be found early. Without this level of inspection, this malware cannot be caught and isolated early, which can cause tremendous damage to the organization. Now, I will pass to Afifa to explain possible threat in EDR technology.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Afia binti Muhammad Syafi'i, matric number 11700081. There are numbers of possible threats in the EDR technology. I will explain 4 of them, which are fileless malware, zero-day threats, insider threats, and compromised account. Firstly, fileless malware. Fileless malware it is a type of malicious software that uses legitimate program to infect a computer. It does not rely on files and leave no footprint, making it challenging to detect and remove fileless malware is undetectable. Second, zero-day threat. It is a threat that exploits an unknown computer security vulnerability. Thirdly, insider threat. It happens when an insider intentionally or unintentionally misuse access to negatively affect the confidentiality, integrity, or availability of the organization, critical information or system. And lastly, compromised account. It happens when an account is accessed by a person not authorized to use the account that gained by phishing, malware, weak password, and unsecure network. Okay, for the next, Akmal will explain how to overcome these threats. Okay.
My name is Nur Akmal Zarifah binti Muhammad Marzuan and my matric number is 1170076. And next I will continue about how EDR can overcome the possible threats. There are 4 possible threats, which are fileless malware, zero-day threats, compromised account, and also insider threat. And these 4 threats can be divided into 2 groups. The first group consists of fileless malware and also zero-day threat. And the second group consists of compromised account and also insider threat. For the first group, EDR is basically relies on behavior analysis rather than signature, so it can detect any novel or process-based attack. For example, EDR can identify the process run by fileless malware in the memory, while antivirus software unable to detect the malware because it does not write to the disk. For the second group, which consists of insider threat and also compromised account, they are credential attack that legitimately pass through the authentication and authorization measure. So, the only way to detect this threat by behavior analysis. As mentioned before, EDR relies on behavior analysis. So, EDR can detect the credential use in an unexpected way. For example, when accessing network using foreign IP address. In this situation, EDR will block this user and stop the attack. In conclusion, I have explained all the points on our topic, endpoint detection and response, EDR. Hopefully, you guys can get the basic idea of it on how EDR works and it function on control security, which is data protection. Hopefully, you guys enjoy the video and get benefit from it. Thank you.